Go ahead and just close your eyes. Get in a comfortable seated position or laying down position, allowing your body to just melt into whatever you are sitting on or laying down on. You don't have to listen to this consciously. You can allow yourself to just completely relax while your subconscious is absorbing. You can imagine that your mind is this bright light, and you're allowing this light to just expand beyond your head, moving out about 3 feet away in all directions. And it's just expanding up and up until it's filling up the whole space of your room. And as it's moving up, it's now also flowing down into the bottom of the room, filling up the whole space. And then it's filling up, moving up your whole entire body till it meets the light energy from the crown of your head. This whole space is filled with this light, and in this light and in this space, you're going to see if you can just relax your body a little bit more. Breathing into any areas that could use some more relaxation. Becoming more emptied, more open. You can imagine that there is a blank wall in front of you, a blank canvas. And there's so much that can be plopped and thrown and felt and experienced on this blank canvas. And you can imagine your heart center is like a projector. And that projector is shining a light onto this blank wall. And in this blank wall, allowing yourself to see something, feel something, or experience something. Letting yourself see yourself this year living in your power. What might that feel like? Where might you be? What's the environment that's going to be the best and the most conducive to your power? There does not need to be any full descriptions. It could just be a tiny glimpse of something. Try not to bring logic into this. Try not to consciously build something up in your mind based on what you think you want. Let go of expectations or what you think is not possible. Let it go. Let that be released. Surrender. This is just visioning. This is just dreaming up. Here you don't have any should do's or expectations. It's all gone. It's all good. Just allow yourself to play and allow for whatever is going to come up. No expectations, no pressure. Imagining now in the projector, you're seeing where you are when you're in your power in 3 years. Who you're with, what you're doing, what it feels like. See if you can sense anything in your body. Was there any glimpses of anything? And if not, that's okay. We're just starting to work this part of you visioning and connecting with anything in your intuition, your subconscious. And allowing yourself to take any of the wisdom of the power of the way you felt or any vision you had. Nothing at all. It's okay. Just imagining that you are living in a power. You can allow that to just absorb into the room space. Absorb down and allow it to be in all of that light that is connecting the whole space to yourself. And just allowing yourself to absorb all of that. So allowing your body to absorb all of this golden light and energy that is surrounding the room, letting it slowly at first be absorbed back into your crown, into your heart space, to the bottom of your feet, to your palms. All of that light, all of this energy is now being absorbed into the body. And then it's moving faster until it's all getting absorbed. And you are full of all this golden light and energy. Allow yourself to have any more knowing, feeling, or understanding, either now or in the next few days, letting it come up, trusting in whatever was shown to you, being grateful for it, not needing to do anything about it, judge it. It's just allowing, letting yourself be an empty vessel. Good.